Let's do a fennel, shall we? Most people are intimidated by this vegetable, but it's so easy to cut. The one I'm holding is on the small side and it has a little bit of brown spots on the outside. I'm not going to remove the whole leaf because I want to use it. Instead, I'm going to take my paring knife and just remove those brown spots. The next step is to remove the core. Everything is usable on a fennel. We could use every leaf. So there's a few ways to cut a fennel. You could go straight down right here. The key here is to go as thin as possible because you do have the root in it, which could be a little bit tough. You can also use a mandolin for that purpose to make it very thin. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the core. So we're going to go straight in the middle and you're going to see the core right here. We're going to use the tip of the knife to remove the core. Now you could lay it flat and cut again into wedges. And those could be as thick or as thin as you want them. You would proceed all the way through, even including the little leaves, or you remove the leaves and do only the stalks. Now I'm going to show you how to do Julienne, which is basically the matchsticks. You take the leaf and cut it in half. It's already a great thickness for a Julienne. So at this point, you're just going to go straight down 2 stripes. If you want to make it into a dice, turn that and go straight down. Fennel is great to use in salads or even braise it inside with lamb or pork. Use it, you're gonna love it.